A sexual harassment case is different, unique, and challenging because the victim is often a person who has nobody except their lawyer to help them. Many times the employer's witnesses conspire against them. Many times the employer's witnesses are still employed, so they have a personal interest in the case to protect themselves. And it's difficult to get them to be open and honest. But we have ways of getting to the truth. And I have a very, very strong feeling for victims of sexual harassment.
You might think that there's a typical sexual harassment client, but really there isn't. It's amazing how many different, typically females, come to us who have been sexually harassed from all walks of life, all ages, all races. There really is no typical sexual harassment client other than the fact it is usually a female, but not always. A lot of times someone who has been victimized by sexual harassment has become a victim over a long period of time. What we've found is that someone who sexually harasses someone else doesn't typically just act randomly. They've sort of slowly been building the harassment over a period of time to the point where, in a lot of cases, a victim has been so mentally abused that they're unable to really know for sure whether or not they feel like they've been sexually harassed. When they bring their story to us, we're able to see very clearly whether or not they have been and then represent them accordingly.